Hello, I'm Ivan Goncharov, an immigration lawyer. In this video, I'll explain how to access your personal data stored in the Schengen Information System, or SIS II, if the alert was made by the Czech Republic. Whether you're dealing with a visa refusal or an unexplained entry ban, this guide will help you take action. The Czech Republic provides individuals with a direct right of access to their SIS II data. This means you don't have to go through a third-party institution. You can submit your request directly to the police of the Czech Republic, which serves as the data controller. To make this request, you'll need to send a written letter asserting your right to access or correct any data stored in SIS II. Your letter must include your full name, date of birth, address, and a copy of your identity document. This is important to verify your identity and ensure that your information is not shared with anyone else. You should address your request to the National Police Authority, whose details you'll find in the link below this video. The response should be issued within 60 days, and the entire procedure is free of charge. Now, what will they actually tell you? If your data is listed in SIS II, the authorities must inform you of whether data about you is stored, what it is, why it was entered, what purpose it serves, and which authority added it to the system. However, under Czech law, your request may be refused if disclosure would harm an ongoing criminal case, national security, or the rights of other individuals. These exceptions are defined in the Act on Personal Data Processing. If you don't receive a response, or if you believe your data is being handled incorrectly, you can turn to the Office for Personal Data Protection. This authority can review your case, investigate any violations, and if needed, instruct the police to correct or delete your data. You can find their contact details below as well. And one final note, in the Czech Republic, Czech is the official language for all formal communication. However, the Data Protection Authority also communicates in English, and their website provides helpful guidance in English too. So, to recap, in the Czech Republic, you can directly request access to your SIS II data from the police. The request must be in writing with your ID attached, and a response must come within 60 days. If you need to escalate the case, you can contact the Data Protection Authority. If you'd like help preparing your request, understanding a refusal, or filing a complaint, I'm here to support you every step of the way. You'll find the official links and detailed contact information in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.